go before it gets dark. You turn left and then just follow it around. Fuck. Oh. And then turn left when you get to the end. I thought we were already past this. I thought this was where we came from.
Where are we?
We need to keep going around. We should have just gone the way from where we were at the start. But then that old guy caught me off guard, so I didn't want to just wanted to get out of there. But keep following it till you get to the freeway. Good.
Yeah, that piece of wood grabbed me fucking tire.
What a bitch. Fuck. So it was in gear. And the bridge is down there and you turn right.
Concrete tunnel.
Yeah, all the way down, because that's the freeway right there. So down there you turn right and it goes under it. What?
Go, I'll follow.
Alright. concrete tunnel. You good? Backfires on this thing are pretty intense. What? Huh? You wanna hear what?
What do you hear this echo to the Sean wave on?
Fuck yeah. Where should we go? Fuck yeah, dirt bikes are good. What? How'd I get it? I sold Kobe's 1500 watt that I brought off him.
Oh. You sold Kobe's what?
1500 watt?
Oh.
Yeah.
How long did you have that for?
The 1500 watt? A few months. What? Wait, what? No, it's from this kid named Jackson that he introduced me to. But this bike's like fucked. It was a good deal, but not a good deal.
How much is it?
What?
How much?
I got it for like 300 bucks. Because that's how much I brought Kobe's bike for. Or 200, and then I had to buy a speed controller. What?
So you just trade it?
Yeah.
Do you only ride here?
What?
You only ride here?
I ride everywhere. Road, here. I'm just riding here because it's 420. So if you stay around me for too much longer, you're gonna hate the smell that's about to rise through the ground. It's basically, today's the National Day of Weed.
Bro, my thing says 5:06.
My thing says vroom, vroom, vroom.
We have to leave, what's the time?
4:10.
4.
Yeah, 50 minutes till you have to normally be home. So where are you riding anyway?
Oh, just all around.
Fuck yeah. You want to race?
That'll fucking smack you seriously.
What?
That'll smack you seriously as possible.
Yeah, I'll race Diesel.
Yeah, lad, let's race. Are these bikes like the same? No, they're a little bit taller. Yeah, lad, I got an Ultra Bee now. Race?
Yeah.
Fuck. Why is it misfiring? You just gotta say when to go. I can't really stop then just go. Alright, 3, 2, 1. That was pretty good.
If I was at 100%, I would have bet.
What?
If I was at 100%, I would have bet.
Yeah, fucking oath. That was close as fuck.
How close is that one?
Yeah. Alright, let's do this. Who do you reckon run the race?
Andrew?
Nah. I got him on top speed.
That made it hurt so bad.
What?
I had to let off the front because he sprayed all the rocks at me.
Oh shit, fuck that.
Where do you want to race?
I think we can. I'm gonna fucking end up blowing up my bike though. 4th gear just fucking wide open.
Make it
Just
a
bet.
race. Nah, I got no chance. It's either you or diesel, bro.
What's that? 1500?
Holy fuck, mate. The heat coming off my bike does not goody.
Hot bomb.
Oh, oi. You have 7 minutes to pack a cone.
Let's go.
It's 4:20.
Do you have on you?
I don't have it. I don't have a bong on me. He has a bong on him. Don't worry, your brother doesn't smoke anymore, if you know. Hey, no, he's not. No, you're not going to be around it. Don't worry. Yeah. Sure.
Hey, to this race anyway. I'll put you in there. No, just come. They're not.
We're not smoking around yous, so don't worry about that. Start where? Just say when. Oh wait, hold up. I have to do a rolling race. Because it's too hard to fucking gear 1, gear 2 all the way bang through. Just roll up for a little bit and then just say go out of nowhere. Fuck. It's like light bee versus ultra bee this. Oh. Fuck. Didn't realise I was in gear 2.
Hardman wants to ride.
Can I have a shot?
Can I have a shot?
Okay. Drive.
Okay. Just they're a bitch and fucking just, yeah, give it gas.
Yeah, alright. Yes.
I'll hold it.
Yeah.
Hold it until it's
hold it till it's dead line
And don't sit too far back. You have to kind of like sit forwards. Just ride it how I used to ride the Ultra through the bushland. What's this in?
You're letting off the clutch too far.
And you give it more. Now you're in first gear. You're in, put it into neutral. Give it gas.
Yeah, put it in gear. Yeah. Give it.
Motherfucker.
Oh, fucking ride it. I know how to ride it.
Is it in gear? Whoa.
Give it. Let off the clutch slowly and give it gas. Give it throttle. Throttle it. Throttle it. Give it more throttle.
Oi, I'll give it a try.
What? Yeah, if you want.
What are you going down for, you number?
Because he's going into neutral and then first. Just give it enough gas to where it can try.
Like this, bro. Wait. Go like this. Go like this.
Oh,
And give it throttle at the same time.
holy shit. The chunkiness in the tyres, mate.
Your finger coming off the clutch. So throttle it and match the finger. Go like that. Throttle it. Throttle it.
Oh my god, he's doing it. Oh shit. Okay. Is it in neutral?
Oh yeah.
Okay, goody. Did you fucking... the new tyres higher on this bike?
A little bit more.
Wait, what?
I need to get used to clutch and shit a little bit more.
Real shit. But has that bike gotten taller with the new wheels? It feels taller.
Just not used to it because you've been on that one.
Yeah. That feels so different after sitting on one of these.
I think you need to fix that.
Yeah.
Are you trying to smoke exactly on 120?
What?
Are you trying to smoke exactly at 420?
Oh no, it's already like hit 420. Yeah.
Is he smoking?
What? Oh my other mate. Fuck knows where he is though. He's down there somewhere.
Orca.
Okay. Do you just want to trot or stay around?
I don't know. Where do you want to go?
Probably just have to go home.
Okay.
There's nowhere to go.
Yeah, we've been out like all day.
I end my video. Bye bye.